Mastering reduced relative clauses. Formal versus informal usage. Hello and welcome, English language learners. Today we're going to delve deeper into an important aspect of English grammar, reduced relative clauses. We're going to focus especially on the advanced usage of these clauses in both formal and informal writing. Before we dive into formal and informal usage, let's take a quick recap. Reduced relative clauses are simply relative clauses that have been shortened. That is, some words have been omitted because they are not necessary to understand the meaning. Here's an example. Full relative clause. The books that are on the table belong to Sarah. Reduced relative clause. The books on the table belong to Sarah. In formal writing, clarity and precision are paramount. Therefore, you're more likely to encounter full relative clauses in formal writing. That being said, reduced relative clauses can also be used to make writing more concise without losing its formal tone. Here's an example. Formal writing. The proposal, which was submitted by the team, was accepted. More concise formal writing. The proposal submitted by the team was accepted. Remember, when using reduced relative clauses in formal writing, be sure that the meaning remains clear and the sentence still reads smoothly. In contrast to formal writing, informal writing values brevity and conversational tone. Therefore, reduced relative clauses are often preferred in this context. They help keep the conversation flowing and avoid unnecessary details. Here's an example. In formal writing, do you remember the guy who came to the party last night? More conversational informal writing. Do you remember the guy at the party last night? As you can see, the reduced relative clause makes the sentence feel more natural and conversational. Now that we understand the use of reduced relative clauses in both formal and informal contexts, let's put our knowledge to the test. Here are a few sentences for you to try reducing. 1. The report, which was written by John, was excellent. 2. The dog that is running in the park is mine. 3. I have lost the phone that I bought yesterday. Feel free to share your answers in the comments and we'll review them together. And there you have it. A deeper look into the advanced usage of reduced relative clauses in both formal and informal writing. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Practice is key, so keep working on your exercises, and soon you'll master this important aspect of English grammar. Until next time, happy learning!